Many of my students say that they're frustrated because they feel like they always use the same basic words when speaking or writing in Spanish. We're often more comfortable with using the same words that we've been familiar with since the beginning of our study. So many people just use these basic words a lot. And not only that, but, that they use the same words over and over again. So they sound, not so sophisticated when they speak. That's a very common problem. One of the traits of a higher level Spanish speaker, or a speaker of any language for that matter, is the ability to express shades of meaning when speaking. So to be able to recount an event with small details, this is a difficult skill to master. So many people who are confident with their Spanish skills in other aspects, like pronunciation or grammar, for example, they might not feel comfortable or confident in their ability to communicate details and shades of meaning in Spanish. So this training is especially for you if you identify with those problems, and if you're past the complete beginner or A1 stage of Spanish learning and you're looking to push yourself to the next level and using Spanish vocab more like a sophisticated speaker. So you're in the right place today. If you're stuck in a comfort zone of using the same basic level vocabulary, you're in the right place if you're stuck on increase mode, which is just learning more and more new words and not focusing on improving what you already have. And you're here in the right place if you feel like you can't really use the new words that you learn.